my God, look at this. Look at this. I barely can close my door. I know it's kind of dark, but now that's a blizzard. Oh, wow. Got a lot of shoveling to do. Oh my God. Let's see. What does it look like over there? Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. That's a snowdrift. You can, if I can turn on the light here so you can see that I can barely close my back door. That's a lot of snow. I don't know, what, 4 or 5 inches? Yeah, about 4 or 5 inches. That's right outside my door. Unbelievable. More to come. Wow. It's really coming down. This is unbelievable. And it's cold. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Crap. Wow. This is a few hours after my last post. Oh my God. Blizzard.